What's up? What's up? What's good, everybody? Hope everybody is doing good and thing, you know. We're there again. We're there, go and chill out, you know, look a bit and thing, you know. Anyway, just come back from the store. Get some oxtail and some goat. But while cutting it, you know, they cut it for me. They cut the oxtail for me in 1 inch thick. Yeah, but they don't cut the fat. They sell me with the fat. So something just come up to me a while ago, you know, after cutting the oxtail and see how much fat, you know, that's left. I can't use it because I can't cook fat. But the thing is, I asked the guy to cut off the fat off the oxtail for me. When he slice it, he say he can't do that. I buy a case of oxtail, but I'm gonna show you something real quick. How much fat, you know, I really cut off and how much I waste, you know, how much money I waste. Check it out. Yeah guys, so I wanted to share this with you. Back from the store, just go purchase my oxtails, goat and everything. But back from the store, I pay $173.49 for, right there, 24 pounds of oxtails. And I pay $186 for 26 pounds. It's right there. Yeah, it's 26 pounds, that one. So I have 2 boxes, right? I have 2 boxes right here. So what my issue is, I think the store is ripping me off, you know. I just think the store is ripping me off because they sell me the oxtails with the fat on. They don't sell oxtails with, you know, cutting the fat off, unless you're buying it, you know, small. Alright, look how much fat this. But look how much fat. This is a large steam table pan. Large catering pan, like you're doing a big steam table and a small one. This is half of the steam table. And look how much fat. This is like probably 8 pounds of fat. As I said, you know, I think they're ripping me off, man. They wouldn't cut the fat. The guy won't cut the fat off the boxes. See the boxes of oxtail here? And I asked him to cut the why don't he say he can't sell it like that. He's selling by the box. But when you go to the store and purchase it like off the shelf, like, you know, a 5 pound or 4 pounds, the fat is cut like these. You know, let me show you real quick. I'll wash my hand after that. Yeah, see, it's cut like these in the small package in the store. He's saying I'm getting the oxtails for $6.99 with the fat on. And if I should buy it from off the shelf, you know, this small package, you know, them small package, it's gonna run me $8.99. But look how much fat is on this. Look, no man, this is rip off, man. Look how much fat is on this. This is a big slice steam table, you know. Look, see, pure fat. This is like a half size, you know. Boy, I'm telling you. And look how much I pay. As I said, one of them 24 pounds, and it's for $173.49. This one is 26 pounds, 186. Crazy, man. Oxtails is crazy. Crazy. Look at this. Yeah, crazy. Look at it. Pure fat. Yep. So yeah guys, that's what I have to deal with, you know. Yeah man. Right now, one plate of I'm gonna show you at the end. One plate of my oxtails is $17. $17 for one plate of my oxtail. You get rice, you get good amount of, I'm gonna show you in a little bit. You get good amount of oxtails, you have a choice, mac and cheese or cabbage. And it's for $17. When I really look at that, you know, I ain't making much of that. I'm telling you, I'm not making much of one box. So, you know, I hint some customers already say, hey, I'm gonna have to step up the price, you know. And I already see, like, you know, I mean, they know it's good and it's good, but you know, you already seen the drawback from the customers. Like sometimes I don't even know what to do, to be honest with you. Yeah man, you know, I want to raise the price, but I don't want to. It's good, and people say if the oxtails is good or the food is good, people will come back no matter the price. But the volume of people I get on a daily basis, I think if I raise the price, it will drop a little bit. They'll come, but they'll just say no, you know, if I raise it to $20, you know. So I'm kind of left, you know, on two sides right now. Don't even know what to do, you know. Only thing I can do is just give less, you know. But I don't know, give less in a plate, you know. But you know, I'm gonna show you a box, a tray of oxtails that I sell, like one plate. I'm gonna show you that in a little bit. Check it out.